Yeah, Roger D. Yeah, I'm the same way, man. Yesterday I went to Walmart's, man, on probably a little or no tank of gas in my body, and I was in the line, man. I got dizzy. I said, hold up, I bought me like $10 worth of salt and vinegar chicken, and I had to eat a piece, and I started feeling better. Then I started feeling like I was drying out. I got to buy me a bottle of water. I opened that up before I cashed out, and yeah, I was all right. I was able to come on back home. I told her Wild, I said, yeah, it's getting older stuff, boy. I tell her because she just hit 50. I said, well, I'm gonna let you know. You got to start monitoring because I can't eat too much of stuff I like, and like the candy and all. I love candy and all that stuff, but I can't do it no more. So I got to be mindful. And same thing with drinking. I got a big old bottle of E&J down here, boy. A couple of days ago, man, that dumb plugger went for the Royal Rumble there, right?
Hey, Ted Paul right here. Yeah, I got a bottle sitting over here in my chair right about now, man. I've been having it there for about a week or two. And it's about time I get back on it. But I always keep something around. I always keep a little bit around. Every now and then I'll sip and dip, no doubt about that. All right, dog, I got to get back in the kitchen, man, and clean up when I messed up, no doubt about it. I'll put it on you later. It shouldn't be too long. Doggone Skip go to rolling real good. I'll probably roll back in here with it. Hey, big dog, you take care. I'll put it on you when I can. Oh, Lord, see, I'm headed back to the kitchen. I'll see you. Hey, Lord.
10-4 noise making somebody calling you. Big dog, small hammer. Back out. Bye, bye, bye. Somebody call you too, noise.
91 in Georgia's calling you, noise.